me, period. What's up, honey? So today I'm going to be showing you this easy summertime hair. Okay, easy. It's just some passion twist, y'all, but I did not use the rubber band method. I used the plait method, if that makes sense. Of course, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it from start to finish. I just love the way that my passion twist lay. Love my hair so much, so cute, easy, flawless. Girl, this hair is lit for the summertime. You literally lay your edges down and go. Okay, it's easy, period. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all I have to tell you. So come on, baby, let's just slide, because I'm doing too much talking. Slide into the next clip. Okay, we're gonna start off with some braids, okay? Make sure they're individual braids, and also when you are braiding your hair, braid it about halfway down, but don't braid it all the way down because we're trying to have a seamless look. Okay, take that jam and you are going to gather. When I say gather, I mean gather them edges, okay? Gather your edges. Okay, you are going to take one long strand of hair and you're going to cut it in half, so that way you will have two individual pieces. Take one of your individual pieces and we are going to split it in half. I like to split mine in the middle. It just makes it so much easier, because if you pull from the bottom and try to split it, it's going to tangle in that and you're going to have a huge mess. So split it from the middle, and then you're going to take those 4 pieces and combine them into one fluffy piece, just like this. Okay, we're going to take that piece and we are going to roll it. You see how I'm rolling it away from my body? And I do this so it's easier for me to put the hair in the latch hook. So what I'm doing is sliding the latch hook underneath that braid, and I am putting that roll right there on the hook, closing it, and we are going to slide it through. Super easy. I love this method better than the rubber band method because the tension on my scalp was horrible. It was so horrible. So when I start twisting, I split my real hair into 2 pieces and I begin to make my twist. Now I'm going to explain this part as best as I can, you guys. Okay, so when I start twisting, hold on, here comes the clip where I slow it down. I twist the hair. You remember how we rolled it in the beginning when we had to put the hair on the latch hook? I am twisting the hair towards my hand and I'm doing a regular twist. This is going to help your twist stay. Now, if you just do regular twist without rolling it like this, your twist is going to come undone. Actually, your twist doesn't come undone, but it doesn't look like a twist. It just looks like a blob. You know what I mean? It doesn't have any definition or any form to it. Period. We are all done. Normally when I do the rubber band method, I can't even move my twist. I can't even pull it up in a bun. Immediately after I got done, I was able to move my hair around. My scalp wasn't sore or tender or nothing. I love this method so much. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this method, and let me know if you already have tried this method, because girl, this method is the best thing since sliced bread, like, period. Okay, honey, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be a VIP, honey, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I post my next video, okay? Period. Like I always say, it doesn't matter what they think or say. Just continue to wait, pray, grind, get you some summer hair and slay, okay? I did that effortlessly, period. Bye, honey.